Looking for the best car vacuum cleaner in 2026? In this video, we review the top 5 best car vacuum cleaner available in the market and help you choose the perfect one for your needs. Number 5. The SCUK 9998700 PA Car Vacuum Cleaner is a powerful and convenient cleaning tool designed for effortless car maintenance. With an impressive 9998700 PA strong suction, it easily removes dust, crumbs, pet hair, and debris from seats, carpets, and tight corners. Its cordless and wireless design allows maximum mobility, making it easy to clean anywhere without tangled cables. The portable handheld build ensures comfortable use and simple storage in your car. Equipped with a rechargeable battery and multiple cleaning nozzles, it adapts to different surfaces efficiently. Durable, lightweight, and easy to operate, this vacuum cleaner is a practical solution for keeping your vehicle clean and fresh. Number 4. The CNRR 360000 PA Powerful Vacuum Cleaner Mini Cordless Portable Car Vacuum Cleaner is a compact yet powerful cleaning tool designed for both car and home use. Featuring an impressive 36000 PA suction power and an upgraded brushless motor, it easily removes dust, crumbs, pet hair, and debris from tight spaces. Its cordless handheld design makes cleaning more convenient without the hassle of cables. The vacuum also functions as a blower, making it useful for clearing dust from keyboards, corners, and car interiors. With a rechargeable lithium battery, HEPA filtration, and multiple nozzles, it provides efficient and hygienic cleaning. Lightweight and portable, it's an excellent solution for quick everyday cleaning. Number 3. The CNRR 99800 PA Car Vacuum Cleaner is a compact yet powerful cleaning device designed for quick and efficient car and home cleaning. Equipped with a high-efficiency brushless motor, it delivers strong suction to remove dust, crumbs, pet hair, and debris from seats, carpets, and tight corners. Its cordless handheld design and lightweight body make it easy to carry and use anywhere. The vacuum also works as a blower, helping clear dust from keyboards, vents, and small spaces. With a rechargeable lithium battery, washable HEPA filter, and multiple attachments, it offers convenient, hygienic, and versatile cleaning for everyday use. Number 2. The SCUK New Mini Car Vacuum Cleaner 985,000 Pascals is a compact yet powerful cleaning tool designed for convenient car interior maintenance. Featuring strong suction and a high-speed brushless motor, it effectively removes dust, sand, crumbs, and pet hair from seats, carpets, and tight corners. Its cordless handheld design provides excellent mobility, allowing users to clean anywhere without tangled cables. The lightweight body, around 380 g, and ergonomic handle make it comfortable for extended use. It also includes multiple nozzles and a washable HEPA filter for efficient and hygienic cleaning. With a rechargeable battery and durable build, this portable vacuum is a practical solution for keeping your car clean anytime. Number 1. The SUK C012 Max High Pressure Car Vacuum Cleaner is a powerful and versatile cleaning tool designed for convenient car and home maintenance. Equipped with a high-speed brushless motor and strong suction power, up to 985,000 pascals, it effectively removes dust, crumbs, sand, and pet hair from seats, carpets, and tight spaces. Its cordless handheld design makes cleaning easy without tangled cables, while the lightweight body, about 630 g, ensures comfortable handling. The vacuum also features a blower function, multiple nozzles, and a washable HEPA filter for efficient cleaning. With a rechargeable lithium battery providing up to 30 minutes of runtime, it offers reliable and portable cleaning performance.